Welcome to the day 2 of learning AI from scratch. In the last video, we learned what is AI and why it matters. Basically, it's a system that helps us to predict. Now, there are so many terms in the market that can confuse people. Even tech people get that wrong, which is AI, machine learning, deep learning, LLMs, and generative AI. Some people get so much confused that they keep asking that what are all these types and what do I need to know? So before we go to prompting, I thought of making this video where I'll try to explain you what all these terms are. So the first term is artificial intelligence. Basically, it's an umbrella where all of these falls, like machine learning, deep learning, then we have LLMs, we have generative AI. These all falls under the artificial intelligence. Let's start with AI, then we will move on to machine learning, deep learning, LLMs, and generative AI. So what is basically AI? Anything that helps a computer do a human-like job is called artificial intelligence. It has been used since 1950s. The first proof of concepts are used in around 50s, late 50s or mid 50s. Then it kept on evolving. Now the part, artificial intelligence is a huge umbrella. Under this umbrella, all these things falls. So let's understand what is machine learning. So machine learning is all about data recognition. You give it many data that many different sizes and shapes. And then from the next time when you ask it questions about your customers, it can predict their sizes and another stuff. Now, it is exactly like your tailor gets your sizes right, you feel confident. The same thing, machine learning gives a machine confidence through the data prediction. Now let's move on to deep learning. What is deep learning? Now imagine in the same shop, there's a master stylist that walks in and then he looks at you. He's gonna look how the light falls on your skin. So as soon as you see that, he knows which color is gonna pop on you or which colors will suit you. So then he's gonna suggest you fabrics. He's gonna take your questions on which occasion you want to go to. Maybe you want to go to an interview. Maybe you want to a wedding, or you have some another occasion, or you have to go in a day, or you have to go in a night. So he's gonna help you as per your need. So that's like a more deepening more deepening about what you need. The same thing is deep learning. It just doesn't recognize what your shape and size is and what your ask is. It understands in the deep that where you need to go, what things would you need as per your need. That's deep learning. Now let's take LLMs. Next come the LLMs. So what is LLMs? LLM is like a shop owner. In the same shop, he knows how to style people. He knows how to measure people, and then he have seen another patterns that maybe master stylist and that old tailor guy both combined haven't seen. So he can help, not that he can just create new suits, he can create new designs as well. So when given so much data to a person that he can create something new out of it, that's LLM. LLM basically creates new words, and from the given data, it can create new words. But now let's say in the same shop, there's a new intern that got hired. Now this intern knows everything about the fashion industry. He have read every book, he have read every article, he have read every sizes and shapes from that shop, and then he have seen all the occasion wears. Now, as soon as someone walks to that intern, and this intern is gonna ask them a few questions and can tailor what exactly do they need. It can be something very weird that the customer is asking. If it's just machine learning or deep learning, they'll fail because they just can predict. They cannot create something new. But this intern can create something new as per the customer needs. Maybe they need a weird suit or something, maybe whatever they need. So this intern can create it. So that's generative AI. So when things can be created in form of an image, or it can create in form of a video, that's generative AI. So to summarize this, we can say AI is the master umbrella, or AI is the main umbrella that helps making machines smart. Then comes the machine learning. Machine learning is a part of it that understands and learns from the patterns and past data. Then comes the deep learning. Deep learning is nothing but machine learning on steroids. It goes to deeper layers and richer understanding. Then comes the LLMs. LLMs is also deep learning modules, but they are specialized in text. They can create new text, they can chat, they can help, and they can also advise. Then comes the generative AI. Generative AI is a part of this machinery that helps create new text, new image, and can advise. So all of these work together to give you a perfect, beautiful, and maybe super suit that you're looking for. In our condition, it might be the help that we need from the AI. It will be tailored, it will be as per our need, and it will be specialized for us. These all tools will work together to help us get there. So why it matters? Why I have explained you all of these? So it matters because AI is not just a tech word. AI is a tool that can understand us, help us, and create with us. Whether you are a content creator, a student, or someone getting ready for their big day, AI can help us in many ways. These systems altogether make services more faster, smarter, and more personal. But remember, we choose the output, we choose the fabric, and we choose the design. In the next video, we will start to understand what is prompt, how to write prompts, and which tools we should use, and we will start with few tools. I'll also try to explain you with some demos. I hope they're helpful. So that's the end of today's video. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.